Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block downloads for the Google Chrome web browser in Windows 10. So if you're looking just to completely block Google Chrome downloads, so perhaps you have somebody who's using your computer, or you don't want to accidentally download something on your computer while using the Chrome browser, for whatever reason, this tutorial will be for you. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in regedit, so R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best Match should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and just right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now before you do anything in the registry, I'd highly suggest that you create a backup of it. In order to do that, it's quite simple. Just go ahead and left click on the File tab up at the top. Select Export. For file name, I usually would suggest naming it something that makes sense, such as the date in which you're making the backup. Export range should be selected to all, and then save it to convenient location on your computer. If you ever need to import it back in, just would left click on File and then Import. So pretty straightforward process of how to restore the registry. So once you've done that, now you want to go ahead and expand the HKey current user folder. So you double click on it or left click a little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for policies. And now you want to look for something that says Google. However, if you do not see a Google folder in here, all you have to do is just right click on the policies folder, select new, and then select key. Type in Google, so Google, hit enter on your keyboard. Now on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. Type in download restrictions exactly as it appears on my screen. I'll have it up on the screen in bigger letters as well. So again, download restrictions, no spaces at all, so it just is one word here. So download restrictions, the R in restrictions should be capitalized. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now you want to double click on that value data. You want to delete the 0, type in the number 3. So base should be hexadecimal, so you shouldn't have to modify that at all. And then you want to left click on OK. So there you go, guys, pretty straightforward. So at this point you can close out of the registry editor, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.